Tim Guinness. He's the Chairman and Chief Investment Officer at Guinness Atkinson Asset Management. Thank you so much for coming on. Now, you actually hold quite a lot of BP. It's 3.3% of your total, and that's 10 million. Would you look at adding to that or actually selling off on the back of the deal?
No, we certainly wouldn't sell. We're just very happy to continue to own it.
Because this is a historic deal, but it also depends, of course, on how much oil they actually find and how extractable is that. Why are you supportive of the deal?
Well, I think there are three good reasons to like it. It certainly opens up an interesting corridor in the Arctic. We're one of the few major unexplored oil basins in the world. I think it's also good news for BP's existing position in Russia. It helps to allay any worries one might have had about how supportive the Russian government will be towards BP in Russia, full stop. And thirdly, I think it sends a message about the value of BP stock generally. Obviously, Rosneft is not worried that something terrible is going to come out of the Gulf of Mexico settlement.
But is there a political concern because you're dealing with Russia?
I think there's on the politics. Oil is about politics, and it's less a concern; it's a positive. This is cementing good relations with Russia.
Bob Dudley has taken over, and this is his first major deal. Are we going to see more of this to come? Do you think he's a man that will go after alliances, strategic partnerships, acquisitions?
I don't know Bob Dudley very well, and I think what I would say is I'm impressed by this deal. Let's see what comes next. Obviously, it's an area he knows extremely well, and that's another reason for, I think, giving BP all the credit, all the benefit of the doubt. I mean, BP knows Russia.
And certainly with the CEO in charge, it does know Russia very well. But why are you not adding stock to it then? You're comfortable?
I should have explained. We have a very disciplined approach, and you're either one of my top 30 holdings or you're nothing. BP is one of my top 30 holdings, but you never get better than that.
Okay, fair enough. Is there any risk in actually this deal not producing the oils, the number of barrel of oils that we're expecting? Is there a real danger that actually we have never really explored the Arctic, and so we don't know what we're going to find?
Oh, huge! Of course there is. This is a new frontier, at the moment, BP's price went up. I think it's gone up 2% as a result of this announcement. I think that's really reflecting the other two factors I mentioned, not necessarily the potential of the Arctic. That's still not in the price.
Yeah. Tim, so BP is in your top 30. Anyone else in the oil sector that's in your top 30s, or is this?
Oh, no. This is my top 30 oil picks.
All right.
So the answer is yes. I have 30 top energy stocks out of about 350.
All right. Tim, thank you so much.
Not at all.